Assalamu alaikum students. In the name of Allah, the most beneficent, the most merciful. Welcome to online classes, The Educator. I'm your English teacher, Rafia Adnan. Today we will study grammar skills, Unit 20, active and passive voice, page number 113, 114, 115. They include your exercise D1, D2, and E. And you all have a creative writing today, okay? Okay, students, open your page number 113 on grammar skills. There is an exercise D1. We are going to attempt it. It says change these sentences from passive to active. Now there are some passive sentences and you have to change them in active voice. The first sentence is the painting has been bought by an American art collector. Now there the object of this passive voice will become the subject. An American art collector is our subject. So it will be our subject of active voice. An American art collector has bought the paintings. Okay. Have been bought. This is present perfect tense. And you learned in the previous lecture that present perfect tense is changed into have been bought. Understand? So if you will keep in mind all the sentences, all the tenses, how to change, you can do this exercise easily. So here the paintings have been bought by an American art collector. Have been bought will be changed into has bought according to the tense of which tense? According to the tense of present perfect. So it will become an American art collector has bought the paintings. Okay. In each and every sentence, you will keep in mind what tense is being used in your passive. Or even you are changing active to passive, you need to keep in mind the tense. Okay. Second thing you will keep in mind that is the time of the tense, whether it is present or past. If the tense is in present, you will change it according to present. If your sentence is in past tense, you will change it according to past. The second sentence says protective clothing is worn by all the workers. Here all the workers are the subject, so it will become the subject of our active voice. So we will change it in the way all the workers wear protective clothing. Third sentence is everyone will be shocked by this news. This news will shock everyone. So all the exercise have been done for you. Note it down on your book accordingly as I have done in the slide. Okay students, now on this slide there is a table of grammar help. I am reading it for you. Pay attention. You can use the passive voice if the action itself or the person or thing that receives it is more important than the person or thing that performs it. Simply this rule says if the doer is not important. Okay? When your doer is not important, when your receptant, the one who is receiving the action, is important, at that time we can make passive voice. Okay, sometimes most of the students ask why we need to make passive voice sentences. First of all, you need to understand when the receiver is more important, at that time we use passive voice sentences. It is better to make passive voice sentences. Okay, here is an example for you. We can say, here they have written, you would say the president has been assassinated by one of his servants. This sentence is passive voice. Why? Because here the servant has done the action, he has attacked, but he is not important. Who is more important? More important is the president who is being assassinated, who has received the action. So it is better to write in the passive voice sentence. It is not wrong if we write it in active voice like they have said a servant has assassinated the president. It is also good, but the better way is to write it in the passive sentence if your receptant is more important. Okay. Secondly, when we use passive voice sentence, you also use the passive voice if the doer of the action is not known. When you do not know who has done the action, okay? At that time, we also use passive voice sentences in our creative writing or whatever we are writing. For example, the house was built in the 16th century. Now, the person who has built the house is missing. Okay, we do not know who has built the house. So that's why it is being written in the passive voice form. So you will simply use two rules. First of all, when the receptant is more important than the doer. Secondly, when your doer is missing, your doer is absent. In both of these situations or conditions, you will make passive voice sentences. Now open your page number 114 on grammar skills. There is an exercise D2 that says 5 of these sentences can be changed from active to passive and 5 cannot. Put a tick by those that can, then rewrite them in the passive voice on the lines below. I have selected those sentences that can be changed into passive voice. That is sentence number 2, 5, 6, 8 and 10. Mark them on your book. They have said tick on your book. You can tick sentence number 2, 5, 6, 8, 10. Now I'm reading them and changing them into passive voice. You need to write the passive or changed sentence in the given blanks below on your book. Sentence number 2 that can be changed into passive voice, that says someone has stolen Peter's bike. We'll change it into passive voice and it will be like this. Peter's bike has been stolen by someone. If you are writing, it is okay. If you are not writing, it is still perfect. Okay. Second sentence that can be changed is sentence number 5. Lightning struck the tower. The passive voice of this sentence is the tower was struck by lightning. The next sentence is sentence number 6 that can be changed. The children's mother makes all their clothes. All the children's clothes are made by their mother. Sentence number 8. You can recycle most of this packaging. It can be changed into passive voice in the way most of this packaging can be recycled. Sentence number 10. They heard a strange wailing sound. It will be changed into passive like this. A strange wailing sound was heard. Okay students, open your page number 115. There is the exercise E. Before this exercise, there are two simple rules in grammar help. Let's read them. They say why we need to make passive voice sentences. If we have an option, we can write if everything in active voice. Why we make passive voice sentences? There are two things that tell you that why we make passive voice sentences. First of all, when our receptant is more important than the doer. Sometimes it happens that the doer, the subject is very important, but in some cases the receptant becomes more important. There is an example on your book that says the president has been assassinated by one of his servants. So now the servant is not important. But who is important? The president, the receptant, who has received the action, who has received the assassination, the attack. Okay, assassination means attack. The president has been assassinated by one of his servants. Here, our doer is not important, our receptant is important. So, in that situation, when your receptant is more important than your doer, you use passive voice sentences. Understand? You can write in a way a servant assassinated the president. It will be okay, but it will not be good. Okay. So in the situation when your receptant is important than your doer, you always make passive voice sentences. Secondly, when your subject is missing, understand? You do not know who has done the action. At this situation, you also make passive voice sentences. There is another example in your book. The house was built in the 16th century. Who built the house? We do not know. There is no subject mentioned in this sentence who has done the action. That's why we will make a passive voice sentence. Understand? So these are two simple rules. First of all, when the receptant is important. Secondly, when your doer is missing, you make always passive voice sentences. I'm reading grammar help for your guideline. You can use the passive voice if the action itself or the person or the thing that receives it is more important than the person or thing that performs it. For example, I already read it for you. Second rule says you also use the passive voice if the doer of the action is not known. Okay, students, your exercise E says using the given verbs, write 5 passive voice sentences in which the action is more important than the doer of the action. Here in these sentences, the subject and object both are not given. There are blanks. Only they have given you verbs. You can make the sentences of your own choice, but for the best, I have written it for you. You can write these in your book. Okay. The first in the first sentence, they have given you the verb has been robbed. So according to this robbed verb, I have used the subject bank. The bank has been robbed for the second time this year. Okay. Second verb is was found. In your book, it is written was founded, which is wrong. The participle of find is found. The last ed you need to cut it. Okay, it is by mistake, or you can say it is the printing mistake. Was found, the verb. I have used the subject organization for it. We will write the organization was found in 1827 by a former nurse. The verb of third sentence is must be accompanied. I have used the subject children for the verb accompanied. All children must be accompanied by an adult. In the fourth sentence, the verb is are being treated. I have used sick passengers for the verb treated. The sick passengers are being treated by the ship's doctor. In the fifth sentence, the verb is located, and I have used the subject airport for the word located. The airport is located on the northern side of the city. Okay, students, there is a letter for you, letter to your friend inviting him or her on your birthday party. The girls, they will write her in their letter, and the boys, they will write him in their letter. Okay. So I'm reading it for you. Examination Hall, City ABC, December 4, 2020. Date you can change according to the day when you are writing the letter. Okay. Dear friend, I hope you will be in the best of your health and spirits. You will be glad to know that I'm celebrating my birthday party at 6 p.m. on 14th December. I have also invited many of our mutual friends. It will be a great gathering. I'm sure that you will not like to miss so much fun, as I have arranged many things to make this event wonderful. Waiting for your reply, yours sincerely, XYZ. There is your homework. Learn exercise D1, D2, E and write it on your book, Grammar Skills. Learn and write letter. Letter you need to copy on your notebook. Okay students, good luck. Allah Hafiz.